Hey everyone, so we are finally in this part. We are going to optimize our Instagram account. So, as you know, I specialize in Instagram and not on LinkedIn. But I still want you or encourage you to create your LinkedIn presence because that's where people usually, hang out and, business people usually use. It's the platform of those people who are in business. So, basically, having presence there is good. You don't have to be active on it, but being searchable on LinkedIn is a good idea. Okay, so in this video, I will not be covering how to optimize your LinkedIn account, but I have attached a file below on how you can do that. Okay, so let's start. So, in Instagram optimization, it's very easy. The first one that we're gonna talk about is your IG handle. So, in choosing your IG handle, choose a short and easy to remember username. Okay? Make sure the handle tells the audience what you do. So, pag rinig nyo lang na Catch Me Digital, you will automatically think that I am from the digital marketing industry. Or for example, Catch Me Socials, I could be in social media, diba? For example, I will put, for example lang, Catch Me Web, like like that, like Catch Me Web or Web Designs or Catch Me Design, something like those. So automatically pag naririnig niyo siya, you will think that it's a design or it's something related to the website, right? So that's how you choose your IG handle. Make sure it's easy to remember. Don't put Catch Me Digital dot underscore or Catch Me dot underscore, Catch Me dot digital. Don't do that. Make it one word and something that's easy to remember. Okay. The next one is your name. Okay, got cut off. This is your name. So basically, you put your name, your pen name or your brand name. Make it short, make it easy to remember, and then slash with what you do. Marketing strategist. Okay, it's part of your identity. You are a marketing strategist. You are a social media manager. You are a website designer. It is a part of you. It comes with your name right now, okay? Next is your niche statement. What is your niche statement? This is the statement that we made in the previous module wherein I wanted you to be clear on who your target audience are, okay? So like me, I help health and wellness brands and coaches with branding, web design, and social media marketing. All right? So that's what I do. Yung target audience ko is health and wellness brands and coaches, and then what I do is branding and web design and social media marketing. Okay? So basically, I have here DM for a social media audit. That means I made my funnel. So ito yung parang freebie natin na I also mentioned in the previous modules wherein we will do or create that freebie. And then next is we will go to the link, right? So ito yung link na ilalagay nyo, yung link tree or metrical link or whatever that link is, kung saan kayo mako-contact ni client, or it could lead to your website or whatever that link is. And lastly, the highlights. Okay? So your highlights should be like your mini website. Kasi wala tayong website eh. Wala tayong budget for website. For now, we're still a startup. We have no budget for hosting and domains. So, we are going to use Instagram as our portfolio and as our website. So, basically, your highlights should include services, about me, testimonials, journey, case studies, or your portfolios or past works. Okay? Make sure yung ilalagay nyo na past works ay nag-ask na kayo ng permission sa client nun. Okay? Now, I want you to create the accounts of the following. Wise account. Please use my referral link if that's okay with you. And then this is where you will receive payments, and then of course Canva for your graphic design tool. I think you already have an account. Same with Copy AI, Metricool for link building, analytics, and scheduling, and lastly Calendly. This is for this will serve as our booking tool. Okay, so that's it. We're going back to the name part. Okay, I want to stress this out. This is very, very important because I'll show you why. For example, someone shows or looks for social media marketer. So you're gonna say social media manager. kunwari ako si client, naghahanap ako ng social media manager. See how amazing it is if you put social media manager or your profession or what you offer in your name. Lalabas ka sa search button ng clients. I mean, sa search results. Right? So, for example, I'm looking for a website designer. See? I don't know them, but they will show up because they put it in their names. Kinabit nila sa pangalan nila kung ano yung services na ina-offer nila. And that is what we call SEO. That's an example of SEO. Search Engine Optimization. Ibig sabihin nun, they will search a certain keyword and you will show up. Let's say we're looking for a copywriter. See? Copywriters will show up. So that's the reason why it's very, very important. It's very, very important to include what you do here. Okay? So in this part naman, this is the highlights. This is what we do. So for the highlights part, ito yung mga stories nyo na sinesave nyo lang. Okay? Yan. So sinave ko lang sila. This is a story. This is my story or people's story na tinag ako, and then there's like a link or like a button below na like ganito na pwede nyo siyang ma-add as highlights. Okay? If you have having a hard time adding highlights, then just let me know and I can teach you how using your phone. Okay. So this is it. Make sure to optimize your account and make sure that you are searchable. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.